The EPL KONE's at Myer, Brisbane City. That one's modernised Dewhurst US95 inside, but still original logic. The other two, at least. Middle one has one button panel, original one modernised, and that one has fully original. Lift 2 has got an extension a few years ago for level A, which is target. Has Schindler doors on level A for the landing door, which is pretty interesting. Would have had to done a bit of bodging for that. These are pretty unreliable, especially that one, which is funny because that one's a modernised one. Middle one seems to be the most reliable, which is the only one with a working indicator. These don't have TMS, they have some late EPL logic. Here it is. Going down?
Yeah.
Going up now. We're in lift number 1, which is the completely original one. And the indicators work. Nice EPL 90s ones, early 90s. Because it doesn't have the edge around the outside, which the later ones do. DDA panel with Heaven Bright. Nice pre-rollers these have. Still cab view. Nice big cab. Nice DC motors. Going down. Sorry about the cutting of the video. I have to make sure no one notices I'm filming. Time to take a video of the other ones. Because I've got a feeling these will be modernised in the next few years or months. Because these are... There's that. Not very good condition at all. Here's P3. Stop the level 2 and wait for another one. Try and get another one. Has a D series speaker in there. Can I get another one now? This is level A, I think. Yeah, oh no, level Q, never mind. I don't want that one again. Try and get the middle one as the working indicator. And lift number 2, which has a working indicator. This one has Dewhurst and broken indicator. Has a ECD indicator, which is interesting. L2. Going down. Try and get this number 3, which is a modernised one. Got it, yay. As you can see, this one has US95. And a dead indicator. But everything else is original, like DDA panel's original. Motor's original. Sounds like a truck horn in it. Can't be. Build quality is really good, but what do you expect? Of course, it's an EPL. Of course, it's going to be really good build quality. Australian owned this company, or was before EPL, before KONE for them.